I'm sorry, this is my third time doing it. I'm just not focused, okay? 602 years ago, last Friday, 7 o'clock p.m. Fairy Standard Time to be exact, the childless King Gluteus and his wife Queen Esophagus got lucky at last. Oh, that's my baby girl. Oh, I'll drink to that. And as for the rest of us peasants and milkmaids, it was business as usual. Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to walk in the shoes of a princess? Well, in this German fairy tale, we do just that. So, join me as we learn that, well, even dragons can find their own happily ever after in Snoring Beauty by Bruce Hale. On the day of the christening, up at the main table with the king and queen sat 7 of the funkiest fairies you have ever seen. Hexius, Blexius, Nostraline, Eudipidine, Phleolitis, Tintinitis, and Fred, who really wasn't much of a fairy, but nobody had the heart to tell him. Time to bless the baby, cried the king. What's that? asked Tintinitis, who was half deaf and blind. Slime with flesh and gravy? No thanks. I'll be back in a twinkle. And she waddled off. One by one, the fairies shuffled past to bless Princess Darkmeadle of Freshcum Avalio Margarine. Marge for short. Okay, she will be the most beauteous maiden in all the land. She will be the wittiest. And on it went, until, BAM! The doors flew open, and there stood me with a fairy. She looked like trouble, and she smelled like garlic? So sorry I'm late, she cried. That carrier pigeon must have eaten my invitation. Now, where's that baby? When this baby turns 16, she will be run over by a pie wagon and die! Well, just at that moment, Tintinitis returned. What's that? She'll turn into a dragon and fly? No! Die! Spy? Off. Tintinitis turned to King Gluteus and Queen Esophagus. She could not undo Beagle's curse, but she could bamboozle it. Well, my gift to the princess is that, instead of your daughter becoming a dead dragon, she'll become, a sleeping dragon. Oh, yeah, and, one day she'll be awakened by, what do they call them, boy? A prince! A quince! Good idea! And poof! She was gone. Well, the first thing the next day, the king made an announcement. I, King Gluteus, am banning all pie wagons from the kingdom. That should stop the curse. Oh, yes! That means cake! Well, the years passed, and as the fairies promised, Princess Marge could sing like a nightingale, and she could dance like sunlight on water. However, the fairies forgot just one thing. Nobody wanted to play with the girl who could do everything twice as well as they could. Princess Marge was lonely. Nobody wants to play with me! On the day of her 16th birthday, an old lady with a pie wagon rolled up to the castle gates. Me in. I bring a yummy treat for the princess. Here! Yummy indeed, eh? A sweet smell made the guard's belly rumble. He opened the gates, and just at that moment, what are the odds, I ask you? Princess Marge was crossing the street to get to the cake shop. Hello! The street was steep, the wagon wobbled, and before you knew it, oh, cried Princess Marge! And just as Tintinitis foretold, bam! She turned into a Alakazam! She turned into a sleeping dragon. Da-da-da-da! Attention! King Gluteus wants you to break the curse and awaken his daughter with the use of a quince. Use of quince to be decided by applicant. Reward: half the kingdom, the daughters, and the marriage, and a set of elf-made garden furniture. Employees of castle not eligible. If the princess awakens the storm as a dragon, tough luck, you still have to marry her. Void were prohibited. Well, suitors came and suitors went. They sang quince songs, they baked quince pies, they told quince jokes, and well, they sighed quince sighs. But nothing worked. And Marge, well, she snored on until this one day when this dusty young fellow came clip-clopping into town. Excuse me, what's that awful noise? He asked the milkmaid. What? I can't hear you. I'm wearing earplugs. I said, what's that awful noise? There's no need to shout. And she told him Marge's sad, sad story. The man studied the princess. She was pretty cute for a dragon. He timed her snores. He leaned into the blast. He puckered up, and before you knew it, bam! Her dragon tail began to shrivel. Her scales began to melt. Until she turned back into a human girl again. Are you a wizard? Golly, no. I'm a prince. Prince Quince, to be exact. Oh, really? Well, the king kept his word. The prince and princess got hitched. This time, all of the fairies in the land were invited. Oh, do you love me? With all my heart. Even though I am the best at everything? Honey, nobody's perfect. Oh, and the two of them lived happily and, well, noisily ever after. Done?